Welcome to Mogul Explores. Today we are learning 3 hidden iPhone shortcuts you would definitely want to try. The first one is how to select multiple contacts at once. Let's get started. To select multiple contacts on your iPhone, open Contacts and then press and hold on to a particular contact with 2 fingers and drag it to the top or down to select multiple. So let's press and hold on to this contact and drag it to the top or down to select multiple contacts. Let's select more. Now to deselect contact, press and hold on to that particular contact. So let's press and hold on to this contact to deselect. Or to deselect multiple contacts, press and hold on to the contacts with 2 fingers and drag it to the top or down to deselect multiple, just like how you selected them. So let's deselect this contact. Now press and hold on to the selected contact for options. You can now copy, share, merge, or delete the selected contacts. This particular shortcut only works in iOS 16 and newer versions. The second shortcut is how to drag and drop images or videos across apps. So now let's add some images to this note. Okay, let's go to gallery. Select some images and then drag them. Open notes and then drop them. So simple as that. You could as well drag and drop images directly from the internet. So let's say I search for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's drag and drop the first image. Hold on to it, drag it, open notes, and then drop it. So simple. This doesn't work only on notes. It works on other apps such as WhatsApp, iMessage, files, just to mention a few. Finally, the shake to undo or redo shortcut feature. Now for the shake to undo or redo shortcut feature, let's add another image. Image added successfully. I can now shake the phone twice in a quick succession to undo the addition or redo. So shake to undo addition, shake again to redo, shake again to undo, shake again to redo. Let's try it on text. Let me delete some text. I can shake to undo deletion, shake again to redo deletion, shake again to undo deletion. Let's try it on gallery too. Let me select some couple of images. Delete. I can shake to undo deletion, shake to redo, and again shake to undo. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you.